What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike sneaker unboxing. This is the Nike Ebernon Low in the Bred Colorway. I've never heard of this shoe in my life, but I'm a fan of everything in the Bred Colorway. Black, red, and white is quite nice. Nike embossed in the heel right here is pretty cool too. Conventional like Air Force One bottoms, I think. Pretty interesting pair of shoes if you ask me. Definitely check out the link in the description for other Bred Colorway shoes on StockX if you're interested. I'm gonna throw these on foot here in just 1 second. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm all about these Bred Colorway shoes. I think they're quite fire if you ask me. I think all sneakers will look good with denim that stacks really well. This is a pair of nudie jeans. There's an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you want to check it out, go ahead. You might get a great deal on an amazing pair of jeans. I must admit, Bred Colorway shoes are pretty cool. Like, I have a strong bias because I think black and red is pretty cool. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely tell me your opinion on the shoes in the comment section below. Goodbye.